Howdy, everyone. This is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. Hey, we're at one of my favorite places of all time. This is the Urby, the Dallas Urby in Dallas, Texas. And we're actually in phase two. This is a new building, and this is an entirely new floor plan. This is a one-bedroom study floor plan. And wow, it is quite adorable. I mean, you can see the finish out here and how cute it is. And they carry on at the Urby with that modern, simplistic kind of Euro feel. But then these are some new designs over here. So this study is so cool. I love that they have this one bedroom study. They needed this floor plan because there's a lot of people that want an office and maybe an occasional guest area. And now you've got it at the Dallas Urby. This is beautiful. You've got, again, just those beautiful features that you've had before. There's a Samsung French door fridge with those open cabinets and that really attractive countertops that they had, very similar to building one. But also in this area, you notice they've got some great lights, great windows. They carried on that feature here too. You got a great area to enjoy and relax. So this is life at the Urby in the new, all new Urby building number 2. It's all here waiting for you. What do you want to get some more information about this floor plan? Hey, send me a text. I've got the most videos that I believe that even exist on the Urby, and you are free to browse any and all of them. But then send me a text and go, hey Grant, I need your help to find the perfect place at the Urby. I can't wait to help you, and you're making a great choice because the Urby is amazing. My number is below. Send me a text. Say hi and say hi Grant, and let's chat. Okay, we're going to film a few more here in this beautiful one-bedroom study. Just hang loose as we're coming up right now.